Hello everyone, welcome back to TechStrams. Are your iPhone message showing green instead of blue? If your text message are being sent as SMS instead of iMessage, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you several simple and effective ways to fix the problem and hopefully get your blue iMessage bubbles back. Make sure you don't skip any steps because one of these fixes could solve the issue on your iPhone. So let's get it started. The first one is check your internet connection. First, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly because iMessage only works with an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open the setting app, tap Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. And if you're using a mobile data instead, go back and tap on cellular. Make sure your cellular data is turned on. If Wi-Fi or cellular data is already enabled, simply turn it off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your connection and can often fix temporary mm, issue. Next, go back to the main setting page. Turn airplane mode on, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back off again. This connects all of your wireless connection and it is another quick fix that is worth trying. And the number two is turn iMessage back on. If your messages are still green, let's check your iMessage settings. Go back to the main setting page, scroll down and tap apps. Find and open messages. Make sure iMessage is turned on. If it is already enabled, turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Your iPhone may say waiting for activation while it reconnects. Just give it a moment to finish. And number three is check your send and receive settings. While you are still in the message settings, tap send and receive. And there you can receive iMessage to and reply from. Make sure your phone number is selected. If only your email address is checked, tap your phone number to enable it. Using your phone number is the best way to make sure iMessage works correctly. And the number four is reset network settings. If the problem still is not fixed, let's reset your network settings. Go back to the main setting page, tap General, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connection, so you will need to reconnect them afterward. Once the reset is complete, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular data again and test iMessage. Make sure the other person is using iMessage. Finally, keep in mind that the issue might be from the person's side. If the person you're texting is using an Android phone, has iMessage turned off, or doesn't have an internet connection, your iPhone will automatically send a message as a green SMS instead of a blue iMessage. So, if everything on your iPhone is set up correctly, then other person's device or settings could be the reason. And that's it. Hopefully, one of those solutions helped bring your blue iMessage bubbles back. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to TechChamps, and I will see you in the next video.